Hello everyone! My name is Vanessa from the Lawrence Public Library. Welcome to our virtual preschool story time. We're going to sing some songs today and we're going to read a book together. Before we get started, I like to start off with our welcome song, which is The More We Get Together, a song made famous by Rafi. But we're actually going to accompany the song with sign language. So again, sign language is used by people all over the world who perhaps have trouble speaking or who are learning to speak out loud. Okay, so we're going to do some movements together. This is the signal for more. This is together, together. And we're going to hook our fingers. This means friends. Friends. My friends, your friends, and happier, happy. Okay? Ready? The more we get together, 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 the more we get together, the happier we'll be. 'Cause your friends are my friends and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. Good job, everyone. Good job. Can we try that one more time? Yes? Ready? The more we get together, 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 the more we get together, the happier we'll be. 'Cause your friends are my friends and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. Good job, everyone. Good job. Awesome job. Well, we're going to get started right into our book, which is one of my favorites. It's called Bob, Not Bob. So it looks like he might be slightly sick. Oh, and you might hear my dog in the background. Sammy, shh, shh, shh. It's okay. Hold on, we're doing a story time. Hold on your bark, Sammy. Sammy, come here. Sorry, my dog is barking and he does not know how to stop sometimes. Come here. Sammy. Papa. Papa. We're going to let him bark. So this is called Bob, Not Bob. Written by Liz Garten Scanlon and Audrey Burnett. Papa, Ben. Sammy. Sammy. Papa. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Good boy. Good boy. So we're going to read Bob, Not Bob, written by Liz Garten Scanlon and Audrey Burnett. Pictures by Matthew Cordell. To be read as though you have the worst cold ever. We're nearing cold season, so I think this is appropriate. Little Louis wasn't all that little. It wasn't like he needed his mom every minute of the day. Do you all need your mommy every minute of the day? No? Sometimes? Usually. Achoo! But when little Louis got sick, he felt littler than usual. Like maybe his mom should check on him kind of often. Every 3 minutes or so. Do you feel that way when you're sick? Like your mom needs to be checking on you constantly? I feel that way. And I'm a grown-up. Today, little Louis's nose was clogged. His ears crackled. And his brain felt full. He didn't know of what. But mostly, his nose It was disgusting. Little Louis didn't want to color or to watch TV. He didn't even want to shoot baskets with wadded up tissues. All he wanted, besides maybe some hot chocolate, was his mother. He was feeling pretty awful. Bob! Calls little Louis with his weird, all wrong, stuffy voice. His dog, Bob, came running and slobbering. No, I want my Bob, not Bob! 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 Bob didn't know what to say to that. The dog was just following what his ears heard, and he heard Bob. Little Louis's mother came to his bedroom door. Why all the yelling, Pumpkin? Asked Mom. Little Louis let out a sad, I don't feel well and my nose is clogged. Okay, sweetie, let's see. It didn't matter what she was going to say. All little Louis wanted was his mom. But she had to get his sister from the bus. Oh, it looks like an awful day. The next day, little Louis was even sicker. His lips were chapped and his eyes gunked. As for his nose, you can't even imagine. So he just lay there getting hot and sweaty, which sounded like hot and sweaty. Who's hot and sweaty? Asked his sister. No, not sweaty, sweaty, hot. Tessa didn't know who was sweaty or hot either. Mom would understand. Bob! Called little Louis. His dog, Bob, came running and slobbering. No, Bob! Not Bob! Tessa looked at him like he was cuckoo. So did Bob. Little Louis was starting to feel kind of cuckoo, and nothing seemed to help. I don't want to be medicine. I don't want a bubble bath, and I don't want a dab. What he was really saying was, I don't want my medicine, I don't want a bubble bath, and I don't want to nap. I just want my Bob. He doesn't really want Bob. I think he wants his mom. Bob came running and slobbering. No, Bob! Not Bob. Little Louis was all mixed up. So was Bob. So was Mom. She dropped the laundry and kicked off her shoes. Have you ever felt that way? Just so sick that you just want to hold on to your mom the whole day. I felt like that a lot. She climbed in next to little Louis and pulled the blankets high. She held him close. Oh, Louis, she said. Oh, Bob. Oh, Bob. Bob came running and slobbering. He jumped up on the bed with them, and they lay there all afternoon, cozy as could be. And even though little Louis wasn't all that little and didn't need his mother every minute of the day, well, it was still awfully nice to have her there. Bob, too. So all three are cuddly. Mom, Bob, and Louis. Little by little, Louis got better. His nose unclogged, his ears uncrackled, and when he yelled, Bob, it was because he actually wanted Bob. Bob came running and jumping and slobbering. And even though little Louis didn't actually need his mom every minute of the day, he thought it was awfully nice when she came running too. Did you call me? Isn't that sweet? She came when he called Bob too. Uh-oh. It looks like Mom is the one getting sick next. Oops. And that's the end of that book. Can we clap for that book? Yay. Now, we are going to sing a song, and it's called Put Your Hands Up High, Put Your Hands Down Low. And we're going to put our hands up high, we're going to put them low, then we're going to put them in the middle, then we're going to do some elbow movements, okay? Put your hands up high, put your hands down low, put your hands in the middle and wiggle just so. Put your elbows to the front, put your elbows to the back, put your elbows to the side and quack, quack, quack. Can we do that one more time? Yes? And also, if you see red on my fingertips, it's because I got food coloring on them accidentally. Ready? Put your hands up high, put your hands down low, put your hands in the middle and wiggle just so. Put your elbows to the front, put your elbows to the back, put your elbows to the side and quack, quack, quack. Good job, everyone. Well, friends, it's time to say goodbye, and we're going to sing our goodbye song. And we're going to use some sign language that you learned. So this is for friends, right? Goodbye. And we're going to say it's time to say goodbye. Okay? So it goes like this. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. It's time to say goodbye. Can we try that one more time? Yes. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, everyone. Until next time.